Applications of silicate compound sulfate compounds. Sulfates are a class of chemical compounds that contain a sulfate ion, SO4, as part of their structure. Sulfates have a wide range of applications, including as fertilizers, industrial chemicals, and pharmaceuticals. In this article, we will explore some of the most important sulfates and their properties. Aluminum sulfate. Aluminum sulfate, also known as alum, is a white crystalline solid that is soluble in water. Aluminum sulfate is used in a wide range of applications, including as a coagulant in water treatment, as a flocculant in the paper and pulp industry, and as a mordant in the dyeing of textiles. In water treatment, aluminum sulfate is used to remove impurities, such as suspended solids, from water. Aluminum sulfate works by neutralizing the negative charges on the particles, causing them to clump together and settle out of the water. Barium sulfate. Barium sulfate is a white crystalline solid that is insoluble in water. Barium sulfate is used in a wide range of applications, including as a contrast agent in medical imaging, as a filler in plastics and rubber, and as a pigment in paints and coatings. In medical imaging, barium sulfate is used as a contrast agent in X-ray imaging of the gastrointestinal tract. Barium sulfate is ingested by the patient, and then appears white on X-ray images, allowing the doctor to visualize the digestive system. Calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate, also known as gypsum, is a white crystalline solid that is soluble in water. Calcium sulfate is used in a wide range of applications, including as a fertilizer, as a component of cement, and as a food additive. In agriculture, calcium sulfate is used as a fertilizer to provide calcium and sulfur to plants. Calcium sulfate works by increasing the availability of these nutrients in the soil, leading to improved plant growth and crop yields. Copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is a blue crystalline solid that is soluble in water. Copper sulfate is used in a wide range of applications, including as a fungicide, as a herbicide, and as a component of wood preservatives. In agriculture, copper sulfate is used as a fungicide to control fungal diseases on crops, such as grapes and potatoes. Copper sulfate works by disrupting the cell membranes of the fungi, leading to their death. Iron sulfate. Iron sulfate, also known as ferrous sulfate, is a green crystalline solid that is soluble in water. Iron sulfate is used in a wide range of applications, including as a fertilizer, as a component of pigments, and as a water treatment chemical. In water treatment, iron sulfate is used as a coagulant to remove impurities, such as suspended solids and organic matter, from water. Iron sulfate works by neutralizing the negative charges on the particles, causing them to clump together and settle out of the water. Magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate, also known as Epsom salt, is a white crystalline solid that is soluble in water. Magnesium sulfate is used in a wide range of applications, including as a laxative, as a component of fertilizers, and as a component of bath salts. In medicine, magnesium sulfate is used as a laxative to relieve constipation. Magnesium sulfate works by drawing water into the intestine, softening the stool and making it easier to pass. Sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate, also known as Glauber's salt, is a white crystalline solid that is soluble in water. Sodium sulfate is used in a wide range of applications, including as a filler in detergents and soaps, as a component of glass, and as a laxative. In detergents and soaps, sodium sulfate is used as a filler to increase the volume of the product and to improve the flow properties.